Hi everybody, in this video we'll be changing a cabin air filter on a Toyota Venza. To change the cabin filter, you have to go through the glove box. You're going to open the glove box, make sure the glove box is empty. On the side of the glove box is going to be a couple of pins on both sides. You're going to pull that towards the center on both sides and the glove box should drop out. Now before you do that, this glove box has a strut on the right side of the glove box. You're going to put your finger in there and you're just going to pop that right off. And the strut will retract back inside. Now you pop the two centers and the glove box comes right out. Inside here, where the glove box used to be, you're going to see something that says up, and it's got two clips, one on the right side and one on the left. We're going to push those clips in and the air filter should come right out. Now, to pull this out, it can be difficult. You have to pull the two tabs in and really hold on to this cover and pull it out of its place. If you can't do it with your fingers, get a screwdriver and maybe pry it off. Now you're going to see the filter inside of the box. We're going to grab the filter. We're going to pull it out. Wow, that thing is dirty. You can clearly see that this filter needs to be changed. It's a good idea to change them like once a year or follow your manual and change them when it recommends it. On the new filter, you'll see an arrow. You want that arrow facing up. You're going to slide the filter into place. You're going to take your cover, slide that back on, and make sure it clips in. And the filter replacement is almost complete. Now we need to put the glove box back on. There's some clips on the bottom that line up with the dash. Pop those in, slide the box up. Now we have to get the strut back on the glove box. Stick your fingers up in there, pull the strut down, put it back on this post, and push it in, and the glove box is back in place. So that completes your cabin air filter replacement. Well, that was a quick video. I hope it's helpful. And yes, it is that easy to do the cabin filter on a Toyota Venza. One thing I want to clarify, on the filters for these vehicles, there's an arrow facing up. And what that means is the filter direction, when you put it in, the arrow should be facing the dashboard or the top of the dashboard. On some filters, you'll see an arrow with the words air direction or airflow. That arrow, when it says airflow, should be facing down so that the air comes in from the top of the dash and goes down into the motor and blows out into the vehicle. All right, so you got two things. One arrow with no wording is the direction of the filter. The other one with airflow, the arrow is the direction of the airflow. Hopefully you're not confused. The way I look at it is like this. Put it in one way or the other, as long as it fits in properly, it'll still filter your cabin air. You all have a great day. Any questions or comments, you know what to do. Put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. God bless you all and ride safe.